Hello students, welcome to Standard 1. I am Damayanti Miss going to teach you Standard 1 English 2 Lesson 1 The Hungry Bear. Okay, students, before begin our lesson, let us revise alphabet. That is page 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, do you know how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters. Among them, 5 are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. Remaining are consonants. Children, let us say 2 words of each letter. A for apple, ant. B for bat, bag. C for cat, crow. D for dog, doll. E for egg, elephant. F for fish, fan. G for girl, gun. H for hen, horse. I for ink, iron. J for jug, jam. K for kite, king. L for lamp, leg. M for man, moon. N for nest, nib. O for ox, orange. P for pen, pot. Q for queen, Q. R for rat, red. S for sun, sand. T for toy, train. U for umbrella, uniform. V for van, vase. W for woman, well. X for X-ray, Xmas. Y for yellow, York. Z for zebra, Jew. Okay children, let us see page 4. Identify the pictures and complete this missing vowels. First picture, envelope. E is missing. Second picture, iron. I. Third one, insect. I. Fourth picture, axe. A. Fifth picture, astronaut. A. Eyes. I. Eagle. E. Urn. U. Now let's go through the C exercise. Exercise C. Look at the pictures, fill in the missing consonants. Banana, B. Clock, C. Sofa, yes. Yo-yo, Y. Glasses, G. Mirror, M. Jam, J. Fire, F. Dinosaur, D. Kite, K. Xylophone, X. Nut, N. Now, let us go through the poem An Apple Runs Away. There is a bowl of fruits on a table. An apple jumps out and starts to run. An orange says, "Can I come with you?" They pass a nest with 3 little eggs. An egg hops out and says, "Can I come with you?" They see an ice cream alone in a box. "Come with us," they shout. The ice cream is happy to hop out. They walk in the sun, but the ice cream cries, "It is so hot, I will melt." "Walk in my shade," an umbrella says. Hand in hand they walk together. "We are friends," they sing together. In this poem, some words are highlighted with red color and some words with green color. Words with red are beginning with consonants. Words with green are beginning with vowels. And see the examples. We use a bowl, a nest, an apple, an umbrella. We use a and an when we talk of one thing. For example, a cake, an apple. We use a if the word begins with a consonant sound. For example, a bird. We use an if the word begins with a vowel sound. For example, an ox. Now fill these blanks with a or an. An owl, an arrow, an elephant, a banana, a leaf, an onion, a dinosaur, a horse, a flag, a clock, an insect, an egg. Now, let us come to the lesson, The Hungry Bear. Children, what do you like to eat when you are hungry? When we are hungry, we like to eat food, right? A little bear is hungry. He goes to the market. There are many things to eat in the market. The little bear does not want a mango. He does not want an orange. He picks up a big watermelon. This will fill my tummy, he says. He eats the watermelon. Now my tummy is full. In the market, the hungry bear saw mangoes, apples, oranges, pineapples, bananas, watermelons. But the bear does not want to eat small fruits. He wants to eat only a big fruit which will fill his stomach. He wants to eat watermelon. After eating watermelon, he said his stomach is filled. Children, in question time, let us complete the exercise. Exercise A. Tick right if it is true. Number 1. A little bear is sad. It is wrong. Because the little bear is hungry. Second statement, he is hungry. It's true. Third statement, he goes to the market. It's true. Fourth statement, he eats an apple. Wrong. He eats a watermelon. He eats a watermelon. Fifth statement, it's true. Now exercise B. Number the pictures in the right order. The little bear eats a big watermelon. 2. The little bear says, now my tummy is full. 3. A little bear is hungry. 1. Now exercise C. Answer these questions. Who is hungry? The bear is hungry. Where does the bear go? The bear goes to the market. Name one fruit the bear does not want to eat. The bear does not want to eat an orange. Which fruit does the bear eat? The bear eats a watermelon. Now, let us come to page 10. Words in use. Pick the right name for each group. Rose, lotus, sunflower. These are flowers. Dog, horse, elephant. These are animals. Girl, boy, man. Now, grammar in use. Read these sentences. A bear goes to the market. A boy gives him a watermelon. The words in green are naming words. Naming words are the names of people, places, animals, or things. Here are some more naming words. Girl, man, woman, doctor, city, shop, house, park. Cat, dog, tiger, dinosaur, apple, pen, chair, book. Circle the names of the things you can see in the picture. Boat, fish, frog, tree, hut, flower, girl, bag, boy and shoe are there in the picture. Exercise F. Complete these naming words. Beer, market, orange, mango. The naming words in the right boxes. Person, man, animal, beer, place, market, thing, fruit. We greet people when we meet them. We say hello or hi. We also say good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Greet your friend or teacher. Say hello or hi to your friend and good morning to your teacher. Page number 13. Exercise 1. Look at the picture. Fill in the right words. This is my cat. It is brown. It likes to drink milk. It has a furry tail. Solve the puzzle with the help of pictures. Egg, eye, honey, chair, quilt, net, yak. Children, learn the lesson and write the exercise completely.